What's going on? One sec. Set the music down a little bit. Oof. Rough morning for me. I took a lot of losses this morning. Full transparency. Lost about 1,300. Not on AMC, on other stocks. That was tough. Tough day. Just had to cut losses. Oof. See how this goes, man. See how this goes. Look at GME. Getting crushed. It's got to balance down here. It's got to balance down there. Right now, this is not looking good. Save. They're just getting mad. I mean, indexers getting wrecked, but I mean, I saw this coming into indexes. If you look, DXY dollar just soaring today. We had a really nice night with yields getting killed, and then market opened back up. So I see a red day overall for stocks. That's why I just took my losses across the board. I'll be looking for some potential entries. Maybe oil might be the play. I'm not sure though right now. I'm kind of just taking it easy. Five is so undervalued. Man, it is so undervalued right now. The fact that it's bumping up and the economy is getting so crushed. I love these guys. I had to close though. I was just coming to the point where I was just losing too much, and so I'm fine with how much I lost. It sucks losing blows, but not controlling your risk is a dangerous game. Market's like halfway, kind of trying to make its mind up. I don't think today goes well though. Today looks bad. Q's probably come down to like 308, which is crazy. I might play some puts. Okay, let me go over some stuff. You get out of your position. I got a option on AMC. No, I have my option on AMC. I have April 1st. I feel totally fine. I'm down a little bit on it. I don't care, but it's fine. No, I'm here. I just like to go over stuff so people know like where my mind is, And like for an example, I do want to cover some stuff for especially people in the Discord. I'll go over this later in there again. I told you guys I'm gonna probably go over like a list of like stuff that I try to do to maintain risk throughout positions, especially with options. You have to be good at maintaining your risk with options, especially the way I trade them, right? So let's say I took my loss this morning, right? First thing in the morning, I took my loss. I got out of 5 gap JD. I took triple loss across the board. I had no hedges, so that's the reason why I really couldn't hold, is because I had no hedges. So let's say the Nasdaq starts to bottom out here and go back up. Am I mad that I took my loss? Yes, I'm mad, but you can't get emotional to the point where you just start stacking in buys and trying to ride the move up. You know what I mean? You have to still stay disciplined to what you're doing. I'm getting geeked. Yeah, I know. I'm getting gaped. Oh, I just need to stretch. Oh, let's get the flow. Got lots of calls coming in this morning. Steel is still getting, 1 billion calls. SPY. This is for like the end of the month. It's for Monday. Roblox, y'all are crazy. Roblox calls. I guess they're trying to buy that dip. No way. Oh, only audio, no vid. What are you talking about, no vid? There's obviously a video. You're crazy. You're crazy. AMC's getting a little bounce back. Just relax, boys. Relax. Bogdanov, he's all in. Is that off of Rounders? Is that what that's off of? Is that movie? My back. Ugh. Can y'all hear the music? I'm sorry if you can't. I mean, like, echoing from my headset. Because I can never tell. I mean, the market's moving back. Okay, I'm just telling you, like, this DXY, this crap right here, this is dumb. This is stupid. This is what's screwing us right here. Wondering if my 1400 AMC calls will print for today. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah, the Dow is getting done. I mean, now it's a culmination of things. It's not just yields. It's not just the dollar going up that's hurting us and yields going up that are hurting us. I mean, now we have Biden talking to, you know, China with going terrible. We have Putin calling out, like last night, I don't know if you saw, Putin said he wanted to have a debate with Biden, basically knowing Biden's senile. Biden calling Kamala Harris President Trump on accident. Like, we have so much stuff going on, and it's like, it's almost like set up for our economy to do bad. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying that I only dislike Biden because of, you know, for the economy, because I think that's a terrible moral reason to dislike someone just for money, but it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. I'd be very surprised if tech bounces. Now, we might have a tech flow. We might have a flow of money flowing here from the Dow. Very possible, but I just see more room. Where's IWM at? Yeah, IWM bounced. I don't see this holding very long. I don't see this holding. All I'm in is AMC. I mean, so we'll see. Still waking up. Fresh pressed coffee to the moon. To the moon. Trump 2024. I don't know, man. And Jake Farm Gaming. Sup, Tyler? AMC going to the moon. Please, when we say moon, can we say moon? MEWN. I like it so much more. Makes me feel so much more happy when I read the word moon. Because at first I think moon was a degen word, but then I was like, man, you know what? If this is going to be a degen word, we're going to make it a real degen word. We're spelling this crap wrong. We're spelling it terrible, like a real degen. Let me see if I know Discord message. I don't. Oof. What a rough. Kyle, loud noise ass. What a rough morning so far. Oof. Gosh, that hurt. But I mean, like, that'll be like the good part about having Kyle, like when we do like the live streams for the day trading show and stuff. Like when he's losing money, you know, it'll make me feel better about myself losing money. AMC games up into the moon. I'm worried about Sundial. I don't have any. I got out. It's holding. Like, you see how big it's holding this resistance though? Potential double bottom kind of right there. I like that. Looks really strong. I'm interested to see the call flow coming in on oil. When the market was pooping its pants, oil was kind of our saving grace. There's tons of puts coming in here. Wow. And I don't know if you saw this morning, China was buying oil from Syria and Venezuela just to kind of piss us off. So, you know, so that's who Biden is pissing off. He's pissing off. And obviously people don't care no more. You know what I mean? China is building one of the greatest navies in the world. It arguably could be better than our Navy. I hate to be Mr. Negative, but it's a very high possibility. I mean, they literally have islands surrounding their nation. Yeah, this is why I sold out, guys. I'm telling you, I don't feel good about this. Dollar just keeps going. Dollar keeps going up for no reason, granted. So yeah. Gas is up here. The gas up here is off the chain. $3 a gallon for regular already. Yep, it's the same here in Texas, and it's usually pretty cheap here. Well, NBA Top Shot pooped the bed today. So yeah, that's a goal too. I'm gonna try to be live until the Top Shot drop. Hopefully we'll try. At least I don't have to shave my head. I guess I would have liked to make the 25 grand and then shave my head. I would have been totally fine doing it. You know, I'm a trooper. Tyler, are you smoking mids? No, I don't smoke, really. I mean, I think we should worry about Russia and China, but we should just kind of watch what we say to people. Especially when we're not the strongest nation right now. And we have, you know, a leader that kind of isn't completely there. But I mean, I don't know. We don't know the whole situation of there's one thing though, by Putin saying what he did and saying Putin saying what he did. If there's anyone in the world that knows the true mental situation of Joe Biden, it's most likely Vladimir Putin. The amount of spies, propaganda, and I mean, it could also be him trying to spread propaganda. It's worth noting, but he knows probably everything behind closed doors, and he probably knows. He probably wants to have a debate with him too, because he probably knows stuff about his family, which is like, I'm not saying that like that's cool or anything, but like that's totally their business. But whatever. It's definitely in Joe Biden's interest to not have that conversation with him. There's still a lot of BA calls. Let's look at some BA calls. What's going on here? What's going on here, boys? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing here? How's everyone doing? Any new people in the chat? If you're new in the chat, welcome. I'd love to have you. Primarily what I'm doing here is options. Now, if you don't know, I'm down today on options. Taking a big, fat, stinky pooper. It's a rough day. Rough day. Microwave LMA trolling. Just concerned for my boys' lungs and medical grade only. They got Hunter's laptop. How are you doing? That's the question. I'm doing good. Look at Chewy. Uncle Brucey boy would be so happy. Tyler, are you still holding those April 1st contracts? Yes, I am. I promise. That is the only thing I'm holding. I'm down like $1,000, like $900 on them. It's like I'm pretty bad, but whatever. It's just money, you know. It's just money. It's just money. You know, guys. If you guys lose, I'm gonna start to look at. Bible, I told you guys it was undervalued, but you know what? I said I wouldn't get mad. Okay, I said I wouldn't get mad. Okay. So yeah, Fibo is super undervalued. I'm telling you, they killed earnings, but that's the danger right now. Like, so you can know something's undervalued, and that's what can really kill you when it comes to trading. Now, granted, I'm not putting over 12% of my portfolio on the option side of things into these trades, so I'm limiting how much I can, lose right there. But if this is the really dangerous part, so if you're coming into options and you're looking to trade options, like I don't use AMC as an example. I want to use Five Below. It's a really good example. So Five Below had phenomenal earnings, like great earnings. They beat on revenue, they beat on EPS, but a leader of their company stepped down and they dropped yesterday, right? So if the market was flat or even going up, anything besides getting plunged and, just completely stabbed, this would have been a great entry, right? So we entered at 190 flat on call options. Now it went up and then came back down because the yields kept going up, the dollar kept going up in value, so the market was just dropping. So the theory here for me is I'm getting out personally because the market's bad, because the market getting just destroyed is going to hurt your positions. Now I understand that these guys, I stated, is undervalued. I only took about a 20% loss here, which is nothing on an option. I took a 50% loss on GPS. That was the killer. That was a $630 loss. That was ugh. You know what I mean? So that was tough. But you have to be able and have the mental capacity to limit your losses. And that's where it really starts playing mind games. And people, when you see people say that it's psychological, 110,000%, the psychological aspect of trading, that's what it is. Because it controls how much you lose. It controls how much you win. Because if you can hold longer, people say diamond hands. It's kind of funny we say diamond hands, but to a certain extent, it's kind of true when you're making money. You have to know, and you have to be able to read a chart too. So, hope that makes sense. Eben. Ooh, that's my favorite search in the browser. Whoa, daddy chill. Okay, so this is my theory. Today's Friday too. So if you don't know, on Fridays typically I do look for a blockchain play, because blockchain typically does good on the weekends. Although I don't know if we do too good this weekend. Well, let's see. I'm not feeling too bullish this weekend on crypto. I think Eben is a mining company though, right? They're miners, and not like dwarfs, but they're actually they mine crypto. Guys, one play I'm really looking at these guys. Funko Pop. I'm telling you, we have the NFTs going through the roof. We have Zken today. We talked about Zken earlier this week. We talked about them yesterday too. I wanted to buy them right here. I just didn't buy them. Cojones, so too small. But I mean, this is tough. But I'm not gonna chase. What you want to do is you want to find that next play. That next play, guys. Oh, you know what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I saw them on Twitter. I had to research these guys. Okay, guys, we got a gym. 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 Go to Yates. Yates. Yeah, where's he at? Where is it at? Yates is he has a lot of gyms on here. Yates. If you don't follow him, pretty big following. PPNF. I want to do so. Let's look at these guys a little bit more. So if you don't know, they are an NFT service, and they're going to be working primarily with the NFL. If you do not know, yeah, they're already running. This is an interesting play. I want to make sure though. Let's go to Google. I don't trust Yahoo. Yahoo's run by the. It's run by Russia. No, not Reddit. I think I'm gonna grab these guys long term. I mean, obviously you can't play options. It's a stock play. It's OTC as well. These guys look really good. And if you're looking for like how long you might have to hold these guys, what I would say is most likely, I can't give you a guarantee. I would say until about August is when you can really start seeing these guys take off. Then they could easily. I mean, we've seen it happen. We've seen Zcan, we've seen what TCAT, all these start soaring. And when the NFL drops their NFT product, I believe it's probably gonna be the biggest NFT project that there will be. Hands down, I think it'll be the biggest one. I'm probably gonna get a lot of scrutiny there, but I think NFL's NFT will be massive. So massive, guys. I think basketball's pretty big too, though. But like, I think it'll be huge. Huge. Is it on Robinhood? No, it's not gonna be on Robinhood. You're gonna have to have like an OTC broker. It's not even on Webull, I don't think. Gonna make a video. I'll make a video about them. Yeah, I will. Brandon, good question, Brandon. Oh, my back. God, I need to get a good chair. William Stedham. Pool is about to. Dude, this guy loves pool. This guy works on pools. He loves pools. You know what? At least you love your job. Like, honestly. Are they really though? I don't know, man. I mean, I agree. I think like pools are like a huge space in America. I mean, I totally agree. I mean, they've already made a pretty crazy run. Yeah, you know what I mean? They made a crazy. The chart looks really good, dude. I'm not gonna lie, dude. William, this chart does look good. The market's getting attacked. The market's getting, you know, looks like the battle of Helm's Deep over here. You know what I mean? But these guys are somehow winning with 300 men. It's insane. Look at them. If you don't know that reference, I'm sorry. You're just probably not a nerd. Anyways, so holding. I mean, it's holding good. The question is, look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, this is what I saw happen. See, I feel better about selling in my positions now. See, ugh, gross. I'll probably just sit on my hands all day and pray that they just stop bleeding. God, AMC. But AMC's holding strong as well. Like, honestly, if you look at what's happening with AMC, like, it is holding. It is holding well. Is Fubo also doing anything with NFTs? I know they're getting into esports and they have a huge variety of esports content. I love the company. So they don't have rights to the sports content. That's what I'm saying. So if you want to do something with an NFT, you need to make sure they're doing it like they have sports like They're working with that brand, like NBA Top Shot. The reason why they're so desired is because they work directly with the NBA, if that makes sense. Dapper works with the NBA. They have a contract. So that's why I believe that they're doing so well, is because it's super legitimate. Like, for instance, like Rob Gronkowski just dropped his own little NFTs or whatever, but they weren't even that big of a deal. I mean, they sold, like some of them sold for quite a bit, but they weren't like super desired compared to, like, you know, something registered with the NBA, because those are going to hold more value because those are going to be like the legitimate trading ones, if that makes sense, in my opinion. Trey's ghost this morning, probably has work. Thoughts on Neo, Brody? The KFC Fat Man. Love the name. Oh my gosh, the market. One sec. Uno momento, por favor. Oh, I want puts. You know, Tyler, there's one thing about me. I'm a dog, bro. I'm a dog. I'm a dog, baby. I'm never tired. I'm always trying to go hunting with the boys. Okay? Dogs are always down to go hunting. They never want to stay home. Doesn't matter how old they are. They may not be good at it sometimes, okay? But they always want to go hunting. What do you want, Neo? I think IWM puts are juicy. God! Ugh! I can't believe I didn't grab a hedge yesterday. Dang it. That's what pisses me off, is when I knew I should have done something and I didn't do it. You know what I mean? I knew I should have grabbed a hedge, at least on IWM. Those would be sitting pretty right now. Those would be sitting pretty. What are we looking at? Neo? Look at Neo for you, baby. KFC Fatman. Yeah, I mentioned this yesterday that it looked bad last night. I went over this. You want to see a bottom here, but like I'm saying, it's going to follow this Nasdaq, and the Nasdaq looks brutal right now. And that's why I said I sold my positions as well when we were up here, because the DXY, which is the dollar index, it looks so bullish. The yields so bullish. All the yields are so strong. So this should, you know, weaken the Nasdaq. Now, could the Nasdaq start to bounce? Maybe it bounces in this range. This is where I would see the support happening, 1265. Beyond that, we'll have to see. But this is, you know, this is not looking good. Palantir tucking between its legs like Bruce Jenner. So Palantir, I mentioned we can go down to 18.5. If we hit 18.5 on Palantir, I might push close to all in on Palantir. I'll probably grab like 3-month out calls. I might just dump a lot, like about $8,000 to $9,000 on my options portfolio. It's a full body workout, kind of. What are you talking about? Tyler, I'm really new to the market, so thanks for sharing all the brain matter with us. Can you explain the different colored horizontal lines on the chart? Yes. So, I made a deal too. So whenever the Patreon gets to, I'll do 100. Whenever we get to the 100 marker on the, because I have to pay for it, and I don't want to pay. It's like $100 just to share. It's so stupid. I hate it so much. So we're not at 93 people, just FYI. We are not at 93 people. I don't know. It's mess. I try to message Patreon. They like, we'll get back to you in a month. I'm like, oh, cool, super. Good thing I'm paying out 8% of all of this. This is sweet. Okay, so once this number gets down to 100, which we're probably gonna get there really soon, I feel like, I'll get TradingView Premium, and I can share all my scripts directly with all the members. So I can literally just get like a file list, and then when you're a member, I can just share. You don't have to pay anything, because I only use 3 indicators also. So you'll get access to all of them. So even when I'm premium on here, I still only use. I might like add something just like to mess around with it, but overall, I'm only using 3 indicators. So when you have a free account, all you can use is 3. So it's perfect. So I'll share all my indicators, and the goal also too, I don't. Like when you join if you join the Patreon, no pressure. You can get a lot of this stuff for free. Like that's why I do these live streams. But I want to have some type of content where I'm helping out, like just explaining charts and letting you pick my brain about stuff. But I'm never gonna make like a a lesson plan or anything like that. If I do, it would just be. I'd probably make it free and just make it YouTube videos, to be honest. But I hate that type of content. It's just not fun to me. It's like just nails on a chalkboard, you know? I hate it. So But yeah, so once we hit 100, I'll just include that as a part of the membership. It won't be an additional fee. I'll put it on there and I'll start paying for it out of this stuff. But I'm already paying for Cheddar Flow. I'm paying for the text alerts also, but I don't even use that. I might cancel. I'm debating what I'm gonna do with that. I don't know. I'm trying to think because I got to be really careful with text alerts because I don't want to be that can be really construed as financial advice. So I have to like really be careful because I'm paying for text alerts, but I don't really know what to do with them right now. Trey's eyes jacked up. Dude, that eye, I'm not gonna lie. That crap looks painful. Holy crap. I've never seen that before. But let me tell you something. That was my worst nightmare as a kid when I was playing my video games like 2 inches away from my computer. Or 2 inches away from my TV, playing Call of Duty growing up. Lots of volume on Palantir. Let's look. No call volume. Let's look. Oh, SPRQ. That's a SPAC. I actually had some of them a long time ago. Nothing really interesting on the FedEx has a lot of volume coming in. Let's look at PLTR. Any volume? Not really. No volume on the call option side of things. Brandon Seawall, I appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate the sub. And make sure if you sub, guys, just make sure when you go to the Discord, you'll show up over here on the red. Okay. If you don't, just send me a DM. Just send me a DM. Okay, golf claps. Hey, everyone, give some golf claps, baby. Golf claps in the chat to AMC. Okay, we see you, baby. We see you grinding out there. Okay, she grinding on that dance floor, not for us, boys. She grinding on that. Come on, baby. Come on, churn, baby. Make us some money. Make us some money. Make us some money. Ayla, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I never know what people are talking about. I never see like when people like say stuff like on God that's true or something. I just don't know because there's a little bit of a delay on the stream. Turn. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Churn. Oh, his eye. Yeah, that I've never seen that before. It looks terrible. So, I think he's been doing build-to-build stream things. So, dude, that eye has got to be like. Hating him. Look at that volume. The volume? Okay, let's look at the volume, baby. Hey, don't yell. Don't yell. Ooh, she's kind of cute. The historical data. Okay, we see you. But we've been seeing this volume early in the mornings, okay? So we don't want to get too excited, okay? AMC's been playing with our hearts and our souls and our minds. Fidelity bought in yesterday. They let the paper hand sell off today. Tyler, over there, you're trying to put dollar bills in AMC's D stream. Hey, fuck good, I would. Come on, baby, grind, baby. Man. I hate this. Oh, this is the only part of Cheddar Flow I don't like. If I could connect this to my, oh my gosh, could you imagine how clean this will? I mean, I guess I could just type it in. Can you use your tools here? No, you can't use your tools. This is dumb. I kind of like these original colors of trading view when you join, like the dark colors. They're not bad. Could BFG drop to 14.5? I mean, anything's possible. Do I think so? Probably not. I don't feel that coming in the air tonight. See what I did there? A lot of people think Facebook's gonna bounce back. Fang is gonna bounce back next week. Oh, AMC a fat order right here. Only 75K. Not bad, not bad, not bad. How's the flow overview? How's the overview looking? Tesla. Okay, okay. Daddy chill, daddy chill. Palantir, there's Palantir. Those call options are coming in hot. Those are coming in hot this morning, boys. AMC put options coming in? What? Prepare to lose your money. Prepare to lose your money. JD. I'm telling you, JD is so underpriced. Ugh, it hurts to even look at. What are these for? 618. I might do that. I mean, I don't know. It's so underpriced. I just want the market to start moving back. You know what I mean? We're getting killed. I just woke up. How's the Nasdaq? Let me tell you something. It's terrible. You got the yields rising at the dollar. The dollar is just gonna keep. I don't even know why the dollar is getting more. This right here is just dumb. Doesn't even make sense. Hopefully, it gets rejected at this level. We'll see. But the dollar keeps. I mean, I exited all my options because this is just ridiculous. This goes against all logic. The yields, the dollar. It's insane. Insane. No, I still have my AMC options. Okay. Clarify that. Is Cheddar feel better than, I don't have Ortex. I might buy Ortex too when we get to 100 members. Who knows? I'll start buying all sorts of tools. Which one do you like better, Flow Algo or Chedo? I haven't used Flow Algo in a long time. I'll probably try Flow Algo next month. They don't have a trial. They have like a $37 1-week trial. It's so stupid. Am I wearing a wig? No. Good morning, Tyler. Ape here, thinking about dumping out of Express and pumping an AMC. Average up a bit. Thoughts? I'm still bullish on AMC, guys. I'm holding my position. I didn't sell when we dropped almost down to $12. Express does look, gosh, what the hell? This doesn't even make sense. I think AMC is extremely strong. Hey, that's just me though, okay? That's just me though. Can you explain the price of the dollar? Okay, this is actually a super simple way to explain it. So what you'll do, and how they teach you it in college, because a big thing you learn in college is the movement of money. And when you start to learn the movement of money, you start to see how money flows from sector to sector. So stuff starts to make less, stops confusing you. So risk on, risk off. So risk on and risk off pertains primarily to the dollar. Right? And so when there's risk off, obviously there's less risk because it's risk off. And so you would back off the dollar and you would start dumping money into stocks. Because as in theory, so let me say this. So when the dollar gets more valuable, the price of oil will go up. Does that make sense? Because if the dollar is going up, then it's going to cost more. The dollar amount to buy that oil goes up in value. Does that make that has to make sense, right? So if you're paying $2 every day for a gallon of oil and the price of the dollar goes up, correct? That price of that oil barrel is going to go up as well. That has to make sense. So the same thing pertains with stocks, right? And that's why right now, oil is getting hit so hard as well. ZOM, for instance. Or we can look at the oil just ETF, essentially the energy ETF. Just getting killed. Now, I like oil down here. I think this is good. I'd be very surprised if we didn't bounce. I'll be looking for buys near the end of the day on oil going into next week. Hopefully that makes sense. But if you want a good definition, this is a really good. Just look up risk on, risk off. Investopedia does really good at explaining some of these definitions. Sometimes it can be confusing. If you have a question, just ask in the free chat on Discord. I'll try to explain. It'll probably help some other people. But that's like the easiest way to explain it. Like the easiest of the ways. But like luckily, when I think one thing that gives me an advantage or helps me in the market is because I come from trading commodities, Forex, and futures. Forex I stopped trading pretty quick just because it was 24/7 and that was just like mind-numbing stuff. You literally don't sleep. So which commodities and futures were too, but they move at certain times usually. So I started to learn how money flowed and I started implementing stuff I was learning in college very, very quick. We should get God King Ka. Gallon of oil, barrel of oil, same thing. Come on, I was trying to finish the sentence. Are you wearing a jumpsuit, AME? Do you work at the refineries or something? I'm sorry if I offended you. Or Karma, not AME. Whoops. What tools do you use to track your wins and losses? My portfolio. It says it on E-Trade. Which oil tickers do I suggest? When it comes to oil, I trade stocks I like. ZOM is my favorite one to trade. But for instance, whenever West Texas oiled up, if you're here on the channel, FANG was our play. It was the big play. And FANG was, we lucked out there. I'm not going to lie. We lucked out. We got in literally right here at 71 and we rode it up to about 80 bucks. It went even further, almost to 90, but you know. What do I study? Finance. Finance with a risk management and insurance track. I graduate in June. See, like oil does look good. Like some oil looks really good. That's just you're risking right now. See how it's mounting on that level. AME, thank you for not getting offended. I love you. GPS, what I think I got out of it just because the market was getting wrecked. I think Gap, I think Five Below, I think they're very undervalued. I think their earnings were phenomenal. I think they're at a very good price point. I was opening myself up to losing more than I wanted to lose. And I'm just waiting to get some confirmation on some stuff right now. But right now we're above the resistance, but we're below the daily open, below VWAP. This could get really ugly really quick. Questions. Nice little AMC upbeat trend. Yeah, AMC's doing okay. All things considered. Let's just wait. We just want to wait for a sec. What's going on with the Gorilla Gang? DSA sports consultant. I would love to know what you do for your job, sports consultant. That's not sarcastic either. We love sports on the channel. It's honestly probably like another reason why we don't hold too many viewers sometimes. But then again, I don't know. I feel like, I know like when it comes to like when you're playing like games and stuff, not a lot of people that play video games watch sports. Well, like I say not a lot, but not majority of them. I feel like investing, a lot of men watch sports. Tech is bouncing back. Ugh. Bear flag on GME. No, don't think so. Maybe like on the 1 minute. I don't know. Been watching Jemiah for a while. Jemiah's been doing very good since it had earnings. You heard me mention them if you were on the channel when they had earnings. They're pretty bottom out. They're just a tech company. I'm pretty concerned with tech companies right now. Gosh, Jemiah, holy! I could buy longer dated calls though if I wanted to, like April 1st, and I feel like I would do fine. I don't see why the Nasdaq is even moving up right now, to be honest. Like this is bad, like how this is all moving. IWM. But IWM is on a big support. SPY is on a pretty big support. So they're all on supports. You could diversify your YouTube channel into sub channels. You could have a good personality, do more. I don't really know how it works on YouTube with doing other content, to be honest, and growing. I have no idea. So I don't even like, I have no idea. I know now they're doing like short stuff too now. Well, they've been doing shorts, but they're making shorts to like, they're going to be monetizing them, I think, pretty soon. So I'll probably do a lot of, so what I'm going to do with Kyle, because I want to make Kyle his own channel. You know what I mean? So, or get him into it. Because at first, I remember, so like back in December when I was starting this, November, right? So November actually. So November I was starting it, and Kyle, he'd always come stop by my house after the gym, because we usually meet at my house, then we go to the gym. So whenever we would go and stuff, yeah, I'm telling you, it's so fucking. Gosh, I told Rogan last night I was gonna go buy a 2x4, sit it next to my desk, so I just bang my head against it whenever I do stupid. Whenever the market just does stupid stuff. Today would be a perfect example. I'm telling you guys, Five Below, like, it's valued so bad right now. Man, man. Just a scary moment right now. So what was I saying? Anyways, whenever I was starting, Kyle, he was kind of like, man, YouTube, that's dumb, yada yada. And I was like, bro, what are you talking about? Like, because I think when you think about like YouTube, you think of like Logan Paul, and you think of these like influencer people, and that's kind of what you project in your mind. But I'm like, dude, there's so much more of a category, and like at the time, there really wasn't any day traders that I was watching or I could find, or any that were like kind of interesting, you know, or relatable or transparent, or people kind of portrayed as like, you know, you make $1 million and you're rich and you don't gotta go to school to do it, and it's super easy and you never lose, you know. So I try to make it as transparent as possible. Like today I came in, I was like, dude, I lost like $1,300 this morning. You know what I mean? Like it was tough. I was tough. I didn't like it. I hate losing. So Christmas music's gonna kill me. I cannot wait till Christmas though to play this music. Oh my, we're gonna have so much Christmas music. So whenever that happened, and then we started growing, and Kyle was like, dude, you're kidding me. He was like, what? And I was like, yeah, I know. And Kyle was like, okay, we'll do it. Why'd you sell your 5 options out of curiosity? So I was just down. I was just down too much. And I was just, like I said, you remember how I kept saying yesterday? I don't want to. I'll let that play. I don't care. You remember how I was saying, I don't want to overextend. I don't want to extend my risk. I don't want to. I kept saying that over and over and over. That's why. That's why I overextended by adding 5. I was already in gap in JD. I think 5 was the best out of them. That's why I got out. I was in too many plays on the upside, and the market still doesn't look good in my opinion. We're still below the daily open. This could flip bad at any point in time. I don't think we've turned bullish yet at all. Everything still points to a bearish point of view. Do I play any video games? Right now, all I have not been playing anything, but I was playing FIFA for a little bit with my friends. When I graduate, I'll probably start playing more. I don't have enough time right now. Especially with trying to grow the channel as much as possible. Because, I mean, I do morning, night streams and stuff like that, so it's just like, it's impossible right now. Literally impossible. I want to play a New World, though, when it comes out. Amazon's MMO. Kyle, you're an idiot. A literal idiot. I used to play Little Big Planet. That crap was lit. Talking about Little Sack. What's his name? Sackman? Ugh. Tyler's gaming channel is out of question. I don't think you guys realize how much time goes into videos though, because I mean I don't just make a live and then crop a video out and then post it. You know what I mean? Like I make it each video like it's a pain in the butt. He's taking a rip. You going to buy a Top Shot All-Star pack? I am. I'm gonna try. I think we have like another hour, about another hour till then. I mean, I haven't played in years. It's been a long time. Dixie, Zaddy, is Palantir being shorted? Good luck. I think I saw some shorts coming in today. No. There's a lot of calls coming in. Let's look for the whole week though, for puts. This is for puts and calls. Still, for the past 2 weeks, heavily on the bull side. As far as calls, we can look at the dates. This is for last week. Lots coming in for this week. There's a lot coming in for this Friday. Holy crap. Those 416s look really good. And this is a lot. These are the big money ballers. 430. Do you have 3 moments in your collection? That's a requirement. Yeah, I do. Let me look. I sent 3 to Kyle yesterday too during the show. I think someone Someone was trying to message me to see if they could get some pack. Get some. If anyone needs one, just let me know. I'll send you one. I think I have it. Yeah, I have an extra one. I can send one. Someone needs it. I can send you one. Although, I mean, I don't think any of these are worth anything. So yeah, fine. Yeah, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna try to. I'll try to do it during stream. Nasdaq trying to tick up. It's been hold. I'm telling you, I think it's bearish. I think it's bad. We'll see though. I don't hope it's bad. We're staying on VWAP too. That's good. Yo, hook me up. It's kind of count. You need 3 though. You need 3. Not pack. Pack. No. I can give you. If anyone needs one, send me a picture that you have 2, and I'll send you one on Discord. So I'll send you one. Because you need 3 in your thing. You can't buy any right now, though. Do you only need 1? You need 3. You need 3. Oh, I just hit my freaking ankle on my desk. Oh. What is everyone trading? You'll start me off. You can't buy any. I'm not giving you one if you can't even use it. Think this is charity? What is everyone trading? What's everyone trading? Does anyone have any trades? I'll go over some stuff. AMC is the little engine that could. Holy crap. You're in 5, Drew. I still like it, you know. I wasn't too much. I think it looks really good. I think 5 looks really good. 5 is sexy. I even mentioned in the Discord because I tell people when I sell my stuff, I'm like, dude, I'm selling it, but it's undervalued. It's so undervalued. Just dumb. Is TCAT still ripping? Are you kidding me? That is insane. That is scary. I would not touch this with a 10-foot pole. No way. What else? I'm telling you guys, I think Funko's gonna be big. I think it's gonna be a big one. I just don't know when the entry is. You know what I mean? That's the only concern. They had great earnings though as well. Maybe they fill this gap. Maybe. The trade desk is breaking out. Yeah, I know. I don't know why. I have no idea. What is the trade desk? What do they even do? My friend told me about these guys. The bar rate? What do you mean? They haven't updated them. These bar rates are trash. I do think it's gonna move, but I'm just saying, like, this is so wrong. I mean, it's so stupid. It pisses me off. They're talking about trade distance. I go, What's up, Billy? We're doing great. But you touch GME names. What are you talking about, self-setter? What are you talking about? One sec. What was he gonna look up? Who did? Oh my gosh! On the Wolf of Wall Street, when they do the IPO for the Steve Madden. One sec. My God, all my Google stuff wants to verify me 24/7. It pisses me off. One sec. I'm trying to see the Nasdaq coming down. So I'm trying to make this. The Christmas music? Oh my God. You're kidding me. It's like never ending. Dude, I swear to you, we're gonna have so much Christmas music here on the channel. Oh my gosh. So much. Okay. I'm so... Man, stretching feels so good. Where did I get a Snapchat from? Seeing how the market is red, what are the odds the quad witching hours is gonna be a bloody bath? It can go either way. It can go either way. Also, possibly don't see the effects till Monday. Maybe even longer. Maybe Wednesday. Gamey stoppies hurting me. Man, I'm telling you, if this bleeds through, that'd be insane. I don't see it happening though. I really don't. And then, no. Don't play. Okay, you're gonna see how I make my Jiffy GIFs. Or GIFs, whatever you call them. Alright, so we're gonna make a GIF real quick. I want to make a new one for the people who sub. One sec. One sec. We're gonna go back to stocks here in a sec. Just give it a... I'll keep checking on it too. I mean, AMC looks really strong. You guys start screaming at me if we start missing it. The Pornhub intro.
Along with the rest of the world.
Steve Madden. Steve.
You remember those ads? Steve Madden. Guess who grew up with them?
Women's shoes.
He says women's shoes.
Women's shoes.
My very own vice president,
Women's shoes.
Diamond Donnie Azoff.
Steve Madden. Steve.
See, we were a little different. And in 1982, someone figured out that it... Or... And... Which meant... You can't... People are all...
Steve Madden. Steve. What is it? Steve Madden.
Do I do this one or do I do this one right?
Guess who grew up with...
Women's shoes.
My very own vice president.
choice.
Diamond Donnie Azoff.
Steve Madden. Steve. Did you?
See, we were a little different. We love.
Steve, did you?
I'll use that. So what I do is, yeah. $25 people gone. Good riddance. Good riddance. I'm doing this for you people. Okay, this isn't even for me. GIF, of course, GIF. What's the Steve Madden ticker? One sec. I'm gonna see what the price of AMC's at. 39.7. Looks good. One sec. Women's shoes. That's the funniest. That's the funny part right there. And then now I need to export. You have to do it separate for the audio. Is it MP3 or MP4? How did I do it last time? Crap. I think it's MPG4. Where did it go? I actually should be able to see it. Zoom in videos. Why is there? Whoa. What is this? What did I do? Why is there so many Steve Maddens? It's pictures. What? One sec. What did I do? Oh, what did I do? I did something wrong. See how this one is right here? Yeah, I did MP4. Okay. I'll do them all. I'll just do them all. Who cares? I'm pretty sure it's a GIF. I'm like 9,000% sure it's a GIF. I'll just download it like that. I won't change it. I think it was the name. One sec, guys. I'm coming right back. Oh, 14? Okay, guys. We gotta. I think Steve Madden is the good luck that we need. I think it's what we need. Love from Friendswood. Are you in Friendswood too? I'm not gonna lie, it kind of scares me. What is going on? This is pissing me off. Export. Media. I'm doing something wrong. Oh, I'm an animated GIF. God, I'm dumb. GIF. Sorry, I got it. I'm not retarded, guys. I promise. We'll test it out too for the peoples. It's getting rejected hard right there. Oh, look at Nasdaq's coming back. Wow. This is good. I don't want to look at my other position. Where's 5 at? Do I even want to see 5? Do I even want to see it? 90. Congrats if you stayed in 5. Congrats. Major congrats. Major. Yeah, there it is. Right here. Yeah, okay. You guys have no idea how long it took me to figure out. I basically taught myself all this stupid Premiere crap by myself. I don't know if it's MP3 or MP4. I'm going to do both. Okay. I'll turn the music back on. Let me turn this down. What war? What do you mean, what war? We're taking the suits. Where have you been for the last few days? The suits are standing the front lines at $14. They're manipulating the market. They think that they can just do whatever they want. And you think we're just gonna sit here and take it? Maybe before, not today. Not today. I've been living under a rock. I'm just joking. Let me. Oh, I can't edit while I'm in the stream. Well, that sucks. Okay, I'll do it later. That sucks. That sucks pretty bad. Really bad. Or can I? I can. Okay. Super chat. Media. Change media. I didn't do something right. Dang it, I'll have to look into it. Oh, I didn't put it in there. God, I'm so dumb sometimes. But yeah, so we're looking really good. I mean, the fact that we're, just inching back up. We got this, boys. We got this. Just relax. I love the smell of napalm. I need some more coffee. Oh, come on, baby. Let's get that volume. Get the volume churning, baby. Get the volume churning. We need that volume. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I mean, I'm not sorry. I was doing that for you. I mean, I don't know why Charlie doesn't surf. Okay, let me answer some questions I might have missed. Had to go to beginner. It's Tyler at 32. Do I want to see what it is? It's still upload. Oh my god. It might not be able to upload. We'll see. And let's see what's the volume like on AMC today. I try to keep the streams pretty chill, Working no play makes Tyler a dull boy. That's hilarious, the roaring kitty dude. Join the Top Shot drop, can you? Before it crashes? Oh, you can't? You're lying. It's not live. It's in another hour. Oh, no, it is. Wow. You're not lying. I thought it's like for another hour. There's no way it's not. It's live right now. Yeah, I have another hour. But okay. It doesn't matter if you join early, I don't think. Whatever. I'll leave it in there. Thank you. Buenos nachos. Is there some magic button I can push in a building in New York to make AMC take off? I need to get a whole bunch of props for the desk, too. Thank you for those answers, though, for the Top Shot. I cannot believe that's still, man. I think it's just really slow. I've been living under a rock. In the event of Amazon purchase, what would effect have on the short squeeze, if any? So if the price starts to rise and rocket in value, then shorts would have to start covering. You know what I mean? And that's what the theory behind the gamma squeeze would call a short squeeze, right? So in theory, if there's a gamma squeeze, what would happen is, the price would just start, just flying upward, right? And as this starts flying upward, shorts are going to start to have laddering entries to start covering their positions on the downside, right? They have to, because we need to think about it too. So position, that's why it took so long for GME for shorts to really start covering. I mean, GME was a grind, like a grind and a half. So as we look back on GME, and that's why I didn't really think it was possible. But I mean, I was wrong. You know what I mean? I was wrong. 100%. I mean, so you see, like, we kind of trended at like $10, came up, 14, came down, just kind of just went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then we started getting like to 40, and this was when things were getting like, wow, this is getting serious, right? It's getting pretty serious, and we started moving, right? And so then, like, once it starts rocketing, you're like, okay, we have to start covering, right? Because this thing could really start taking off. And like, you have to realize the losses. If you had a short at $10 and you're at 60, I mean, you're like 50. I mean, you're 5x in the hole. I mean, you're in the hole crazy, and then you get to 400. You're really in the hole. So you have to start covering, you know, just to cover that position. So you start seeing the mindset of what's going on. So AMC is still like, I'm surprised they haven't covered anything, you know, because I think they're hoping this just doesn't gain more traction and they can just hold it down. But it's, you would think they learned their lesson from the last one. And this is, now it's grinding up. It's just slowly going up. The camera's lagging. So it could be because I had something trying to upload, but I canceled it. I need a new computer really bad. It's the CPU on my computer. I don't want to pay for it though. I don't want to do it all now. I want to at least make myself wait. I'm trying to make myself wait. Till summer. I mean, we got above daily open. That's see that touch right there. That's strong. Wow. I'm just not touching anything right now, guys. I have to just hold the composure. Any Discord messages? I mean, open up OBS. No, wrong later. What's the Lambo of computers? I'll probably build one on stream. Some people requested that I do it, so I was like, screw it. Probably is gonna be a really long experience that I don't really want to do, but I feel like the longer I have my YouTube account, the more I do stuff I don't really want to do. Like $1,000 a day on AMC for a while. That was not a fun experience. That was a stressful time. You said one? No. No. Bull flag on Jamie? You sure? On the 1 minute, guys, the 1 minute is the scariest chart in the world to look at. Nike got a lot of volume coming in. Show me the calls. Damn it. Sorry. Oh, man. But I like it. Dude. This consolidation on AMC is going to drive... there's no way it holds up here like this. There's no way. 3 days in this $14 range? You know, that's insane. I mean, we have to get a move. We're going to get a good move soon. Either up or down. One of them is going to happen. Like, we're not going to just stagnate up here for too much longer. There's no possible way. Like, there's literally no way we just sit at this range. There's no way. That doesn't make any sense. Man, I kind of want some puts on IWM. Where are the Qs? Qs. I feel like we just filled all the gaps and now we're about to gap up. Whole market crashing and I'm down 1.9% of my value investments. I guess I have some okay positions. That's actually pretty, Jay, that's really good. That's really good. About a $14 call option. How do I sell them for shares? Forgive me, I'm new to trading. You don't sell them for shares, you'll get the premium. If you want to get the shares, I believe the hold to expiration. I don't hold to expiration. You don't sell for shares though. Get to exercise your position for that. Expiration. And you have to have enough money in your account for it. So you have to make sure. Man, she's just getting rejected. Come on. I'm not gonna lie, I do think it's funny, like, whenever I have, like, a controversial stream, about some stuff, or I say something, like, kind of controversial, I'll always lose, like, 10, 20 subs. I kind of wait for it, too. I kind of, like, leave it on my phone so it's next to me so I can watch them leave. What chart do you use the most, a 5 or 15 minute? 15 minute, for sure. 15 minutes more important. I use 5 just to break some, like, smaller time frame stuff down. But for the most part, it's 15 minutes. Hey, guys, I'm going to get coffee really, really quick. This stream's boring. I'll be under my rock. Jorge Home. Yeah, during the trading day, it's gonna be more boring in my opinion. I mean, especially with the market moving like this, you know, there's nothing we can really do. You know, that's the struggle with this. You know, I know I could do some more entertaining stuff, but for me, it's all about making money. That's what it's about here. So, once I'm gonna get coffee. Wait, one sec. Brandon, fine. Okay, thank you. Why don't you get the shares? They're so cheap. That's not you. That's not Brandon. You're paying the premium. Okay, I'll look at trip. Okay, I'll answer these 2 questions. I'm gonna go get coffee. I'll be right back though. Okay, so Brandon, I don't think you understand how options work. So the way options work, oh man, this is gonna be difficult. Let me see. My iPad's dead, of course. That'd have been the easiest way for me to show you. How can I show you? How can I show you? How can I show you? I'll just, I can't write it out for you. I'll charge my iPad, so hopefully I can show you in a little bit. Okay, so the best way to describe options are premiums on insurance. That's the best way to describe it. So when you, so let's say you go and you have a, let's say you have a brand new 2021 Tesla, just made fresh, just given to you, right? That's going to be a prime vehicle, a low risk car. And let's say you have pretty good driving history, right? So you have if we put you and categorize you as a stock, you'd be a premium stock. You'd be something like, let's say, AT&T. You'd be an AT&T, right? Holds its value, very steady, not super volatile, not super risky. Just a good stock, right? You just hold it, you don't worry about it, right? So the premium on your option would be a lot cheaper. It'd probably be, let's say, 21 cents for a $30 21 cent, because chances are you're not going to move that much. You're not going to, deviate from this trend because it's a very steady stock. You're probably not going to get into any wrecks as you're a driver. Your car's probably not going to break down because it's new. So your insurance, the premium on your insurance contract is going to be cheaper. But now if we do a 6-month contract, what's going to be longer for a premium for your insurance? A 6-month? What's going to be more expensive? I'm sorry. A 6-month or a 1-year contract? Which one will cost you more on a monthly basis? The year long will be actually cheaper than the 6-month if you price it like that, or the 6-month will be a less risky position, if that makes sense. So the 6-month, the value of it will be cheaper. The 1 year will be more expensive because you have longer to mess up basically, or get more volatile, or go up or go down, right? So that's the theory. So the best way to look at this is going to be looking at premium. That's literally the best way to imagine options, are premium as insurance, the best way. So, but now let's say you are okay, I was gonna make a joke, but I can't make that joke. I'll get quit. Okay, let's say you're a bad driver and you're driving someone said a 1998 Toyota Corolla, right, with 200,000 miles on it, right? So everything's stacked up against you. You have tickets, you have a bad car, you're a liability, right? So your insurance premium obviously is going to be more expensive. And so let's say you do a 6 and a 12 month. The chances are that insurance premium is going to, because let's say you're a stock like, we'll say, what's a good stock to use? We'll use Tesla. Tesla's not a great example. We'll use CCIV or CCIV. This is a good one. So we're going to use CCIV. CCIV is all over the place, right? All over the place. We got to go up, we got to go down. It's going everywhere. It's unpredictable. We don't know what's going to happen. So the premium on like a 6 to 12 month contract on this is going to be like $4 to $5. Even if you're out of the money, it's going to be crazy expensive because you don't know what's going to happen. There's the volatility. You don't know if it's going to really do good. You don't know if it's going to do bad. You have no idea, right? So chances are, as we get closer up to that date, the contract is going to be worth more money because you're doing good, and the chances are you're going to do bad eventually. So this, I could be confusing you. I'm trying to explain this to you as best as possible. But when you're doing this, you're paying for the premium. You're not paying for the stock. Does that make sense? That's the part that has to make sense. But let's say then you can get into doing covered calls and other options like that. That's totally different. But when it comes to the basis of buying calls and buying puts, you're just buying the premium. Because that's what that basically is. You're buying the insurance part of it. You're not paying for the car. When you pay for insurance or you're buying insurance, you're not paying for it. The insurance company doesn't own your car. You know what I mean? You're paying for the insurance if you start messing up or something like that. That's the best way to look at it. Yeah, covered options are how you start playing with that type of play like that. And those cost more money. You have to have enough money to do both. You have to have enough money for the premium, and you have to have enough money for the actual contract. So let's say you did a 21 cent. Let's say AMC was at $10, right? Let's say it was at $10, or we'll use the price right now. We'll say it's at 14. Okay, it's at 14, and I am gonna sell a covered call, right? At at 15.5, right? So basically I'm saying the stock won't get up there, right? Correct. This is all hypothetical, so bear with me. And the money does a great job at explaining this. I hate this part. I hate explaining it because chances are you're probably not going to completely understand it. So I'm selling it that, and there's a 21-cent premium, right? Let's say it's 21 cents. So not only I have enough money for the 100 shares here, $140, since the stock price is at is at 14 bucks. I also got to have enough for 100 of these, the premium here, the 21 cent. Correct, Amundo? Does that make sense? Correct. But let's say this, let's say, you know, this starts moving and it gets to your date whenever this option expires. Let's say it's April 1st, right? And it expires underneath that date. You get to get all your stock back at a 140, and you get to keep your 21 cents per. So I think it'd be like, what is that? 21 bucks. Yeah, 21 bucks. I think, yeah. So you make both of those back. It's a good way to hedge your position as well. But let's say, in theory, if it goes past it, then you have to sell them your options. But you still keep your premium, you still keep your 140. It's guaranteed money. You just have potential to lose out on potential profits. Hope that makes sense. Tyler's lesson's over for the day. Call me professor from now on. Yeah, In the Money does a great job. That's why I recommend him. I'm not a teacher. I'm the furthest thing from a teacher. God help my son when I have to start teaching him stuff. Although he did get potty trained very quick. I was very shocked. I was like, wow, this was easy. But I learned the trick. I learned the trick with my son. I showed him Amazon. So every time he peed in the toilet, we went to Amazon.com, and then after a few times, we buy something. And that worked. I got a nuclear engineering degree. It's really not that confusing once you start understanding it. It's not that confusing. But like people I have a class on derivatives right now in college, and it's so easy because I've already learned all this stuff. So like the math on it's super easy. Tyler, you're getting better at explaining it. I'm pretty sure that's the that's the only time I've ever explained anything on this channel. Trip, sorry. Is this the company TripAdvisor? Trip Red Light Holland? No. Okay, so I'm really not. This is the Canadian stock. You're getting beat up. What is it? What is it? I'm assuming it's like edibles. Alabama wins March Madness. You're a madman. Or Liberty. Penny stocks, man. You gotta really do your DD because you gotta look at their financials. You gotta see if they're a legitimate company. That's the biggest part. If they're a legitimate company, as a penny stock, you can just throw money in it and they'll do well. If they're a legit company, that's the hardest decision to make. Magic mushrooms. See, but like that field doesn't like interest me personally. You know what I mean? It's just like something not. I think that whole field is just overhyped. Personally, I think that it's just like. I think everyone's like, oh, it's gonna be legal or make so much money. I don't think it's that big. But if it's a legit company, then like, you know, that's the hard. Like I said, I keep saying that's the hardest part. You got to research and find out, are they legit? Are they gonna grow? Like, you know what I mean? Do they have good financials? Stuff like that. That's why High Tide was such an easy play for me. It's because High Tide was legit. High Tide has great numbers. Someone just posted in the Discord actually. They posted today they bought another store. They bought 2 new stores, and yeah, 70. Yep. They bought 76, 77. They just keep growing. They're such a good company. Like, so. You love to see it. Okay. All right, 1 second, guys. Let me go get some more coffee. 1 sec. I'll put you back on AMC. You'll also be able to see any new options that come in right there. Is that a bad spot? They'll come up right here. I'll be right back. 1 sec. Oh, crap. I'm so thirsty. Oh man, my freaking hips. Crap. I feel like Shakira. Boom, 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 boom. Bang, 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 bang. How much longer we get to those pack drops? 40 minutes. All right. All right, guys. Sorry. I can't believe Nasdaq's actually recovering well. I think you paid Brandon. 1 second. I had to check a Discord notification. Yep, got you. Oh, I'm in my butt. Cheers, dinker donker. Ooh, man, there is no volume at all. Is this gonna break out or no? That's the real question. We need a breakout happening now. We need it now. We need it yesterday. Brandon, fine. Thank you for helping a pleb out. You really do answer questions. I'll be coming back. I appreciate the love, Brandon. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love for sure. What's live, strippers? But man, I'm telling you guys, I'm not just I am so surprised we haven't got this move yet. I mean, this consolidation is just, this isn't gonna last. Something, we have to get a move up or down, and Nasdaq's finally getting some type of move up. Pretty surprising. DXY is coming down, but DXY has a lot of support right here, guys. Lots of support. You can see that support down there. AMC is definitely flagging on the yeah, 100% is flagging. 110,000% flagging. Is there AMC sell wall at 14? Ugh. Sec. AMC. Ah, man, look at, I think GME looks GME looks so good. That is crazy. That looks so strong. So strong. Funko moving well. Tony, this is NFT play is pretty crazy. I think they have a lot of room. I just don't really know how to play them right now. That's the only thing. Everything in its mom is performing well today now. This is depressing. Yeah, I got a stop loss around 12. Why do you think these shorties could be loading up first? It's possible. It's definitely possible. I don't even have a stop loss placed on my calls. I'm just let them ride, let them fly. One sec. How does the oil look? With today's action, I mean, honestly, you have a lot to pick from in your options for AMC because there's no volatility. I like April 1st a lot though for myself, but not financial advice. You gotta make your own decision. City market looks good. Well, bring that energy. Yeah, I saw the Wolf of Wall Street's comment or his picture. I can't show his stuff because there's like some nudity on his page, so I cannot show that. But I kind of showed it last night before I knew what he posted. Activision looks pretty good. Man, AMC looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. The rough morning brewing another French press coffee as we speak. You're telling me. French presses are nice. Those are really nice. I feel like they make it really, really, like, really strong. I definitely feel like I got more of a kick from a French press. Definitely just can't. I mean, I don't think even lazy is the best. I think saying I'm too lazy to use a French press is showing how lazy I can be sometimes. Let's look where the money's flowing. Let's see where the money's flowing. One sec. One sec. My free stock. Do you guys want me to start using Webull too? I'm just curious. Hey, do you guys like Webull? How do y'all like it? Tyler, question. Yeah, so yeah, asking questions. I don't mind. But yeah, I'm curious because I mean, I might start using. I could transfer my option stuff over to Webull. I don't mind. Not a huge fan, but I don't mind. Because then I would get like the level 2 data, and then I could show the options as well. I have like no money in Webull though. Like none at all. So I have to transfer money over. Okay, I can look into it. I don't mind. I like it, but I think I have a sponsorship for yeah, I do. I have a sponsorship. I was gonna do like you have to sign up a Webull and then you can get access to the Discord, the free part, you know. But I just made the Discord part free. I don't know. Public is good too. They are a mobile alternative. Robinhood Republic user interface. I think Webull is probably better for me with the options. Ow. Put a limit sell of 500. What do you, yes or no? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like, do you mean just to place it up there just in case we get a wick or something? I mean, yeah, it couldn't hurt you. I mean, it's not gonna hurt you at all. So Webull, everyone's saying Webull. Oof. Oof. Man. Do we do Webull, boys? That's the real question. I don't know if I'm ready for that commitment, to be honest. We'll see. Maybe we make the change. And then you'll really truly see I never buy stocks, just options. Zero hedge is a good account to follow too. I don't know how Webull's support is. That's the major question. That's the big question, guys. Yeah, Thinkorswim's really nice. I know Thinkorswim's nice. The only reason why I would use Webull is just to help people out to understand, like, and I guess they could see how I'm doing things as well. I wouldn't chart on Webull though. There's no way in the world I would chart on Webull. I don't see myself ever not using TradingView. I love TradingView. I love the UI here. Nasdaq getting a dippy dip. Oof, 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 oof. Today just is a really boring day, guys. I'm sorry. This is brutal. Would you chart and trade on TOS? I don't think I would even chart and trade. I wouldn't chart on TOS. You know, maybe I would, like, if I would do my charting on TradingView, and then I'd move over to TOS when I get in my position if it was a quick trade, and I would monitor it there. But for the most part, I don't think I would. I really don't think I would. I made an actual transfer though, which I cannot cancel, and now they restrict me from purchasing. Gray Jacks. Tyler, I'm in. I'm waiting. Sorry I didn't respond. I was getting coffee when he messaged me. So we're looking good. We're looking good. I'm in the top shot EQ. Like 30 minutes. Thank you though. Thank you. G-Nog thoughts today. Is it running? Is it getting wrecked? It's getting wrecked. I don't think earnings could be good. I'm curious how earnings play out. How were their last earnings? Probably bad. I'm kind of worried. Price target on 5 was 202. No, wrong 5. I'm so pissed about 5. I'm pissed. Be careful though. Market doesn't look good. The market looks really bad. So I like 202, but be conservative. Tyler, I need your thoughts, man. Read my statements above, please. I don't know what to tell you about your accidental withdrawal. You know what I mean? I can't tell you what to do. I know E-Trade. I can call them. I can cancel my stuff. Like they're cool about that. I don't see what the negatives would be about putting a sell limit. What's the negatives about having a sell order in? You know what I mean? Worst case scenario, you get a crazy exit at 500. What are you using that we're watching? Sorry if you already answered this. I like to set my screen up to the same way to tools. Let's the right side. This is tradingv.com. Tradingv.com. So when you type in TradingV, it'll come up like this. You'll make your account. It'll come up like this, and then you'll just have your little chart over here. You'll have to add each stock ticker in. You click them, and then you just go to full chart overview. That's it. The end. But I like it. And then my indicators, I use OBV, a script that I have for daily opens and stuff like that, and then I use VWAP. That's it. Can I show you around the E-Trade platform? The E-Trade platform kind of sucks. It reminds me of Fidelity. There's honestly not too much to show you on E-Trade. It's pretty ugly. I'm not gonna lie. Like Webull looks cleaner, 100%. I think even Thinkorswim is kind of ugly to a certain extent. Like Webull and Robinhood are definitely more like, you know, modernized and they look cleaner, but are they cleaner? No. You know. After you made the transfer, you waited for too long to notice. Yeah, probably. I don't use E-Trade Pro, which is funny that I don't use it. See, 5 below getting a dip. This is the whole. I mean, the market's so whack today. It's crazy, crazy what we're getting. I think I've seen E-Trade Pro. I don't like it. I just don't like it. It kind of gets laggy. It didn't feel super clean to me. Personally, for me it didn't. Yeah, for me it did not feel clean. I mean, AMC, like, what are you doing? What is going on here? Come on. Dudes, what is going on? GME and AMC. GME looks really... I like GME a lot here. Oh, my God. One sec. I want to look at... I don't know why this isn't updating. Kyle's calling me. I'm already in. I've been in.
I'm in, baby. I'm in.
I've already been in. Tyler, can I get a loan? Oh, you know what we need to do? This is what we need to do, guys. We got to research something right now. So Japan is about to be reopening. Guys, I'm telling you, I think GME looks beautiful. Just FYI. Sony, I'm not buying that. It's footwear. Bandai. NCBDY. 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 One sec, guys. I'm looking for... Okay, so what I'm looking at here is... This is my logic. So, if you don't know... If you don't know, they are... Japan is reopening most likely this weekend. They're talking about it a lot. One, this will probably help the overall world economy go up. Two, I want to play something based on the Japanese markets opening back up. So I'm looking heavily into that. I just don't really know what I want. All these are none of these are publicly traded. These are all OTCs. Yeah, OTCs. I don't really like any of these. Biotech, no. Banks, no. Leisure goods, Sony. I don't like Sony. I don't want Sony. A lot of these are cars. Ugh. I just don't like them. Ooh, $14 AMC. $14 AMC. So a lot of them like Sony. I don't want those companies. I just don't like them. No, I hung up on Kyle quick. He was telling me about Top Shots, which I've been into. If he's been in the stream, he saw me get into Top Shot. Like he saw me on there. Insane. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Churn, baby, churn. Let's go. Come on, churn, baby, churn. Dun, 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 churn. Check hotels in Japan for Olympics. Yeah, I didn't see any. Man, you don't want to know about this. You don't even want to know. Brandon. Hey. God bless the robots. We're looking good. We're looking good. I mean, AMC, just move. What are you doing? You're wasting our time. Insane. Cisco's type places. No, I don't think I have any. I'll probably spend a lot tonight researching. Ugh, sounds terrible. Look at the flow. It is literally, holy crap. This is what witching is. This is the definition of quad witching day. $73 million of options on Tesla today. Holy crap. For this week, how much? Oh my god. This is what quad witching is, just so you know. Holy crap. Apple had the most, though. Most of those entering it. We'll see probably more come in throughout the day, but holy crap. The flow on Tesla, needless to say, very bullish. See, these are all of them too down here at the bottom. 10 mil. All of these going for 2022. All these are like almost a year out. Wow. They put millions on these options. That's big. Holy crap. That is insane. That is wild. That is wild. Those are long. Those are long. They're betting on the long term, you know, view of the company though. Oh, okay. We're reclaiming. We're claiming. Here we go. Woo, hold on to your pantalones, mijos. Hold on to your pantalones, mijos. Come on, baby. Come on, let's run, baby. Let's fly. Let's fly. I wish I could play some AC/DC right now. Let me tell you something. Powell's not speaking today, I don't think. No, he's not speaking today. Speaks all next week, though. Next week's going to be not a fun week to trade, let me tell you something. Quad witching. It can happen throughout the week, but I mean, look, this is what it's all about, though. This is so people are going to tell you it's, you know, it's, you're just going to see crazy movement or whatever. This is a great example of what's happening. So what hedge funds are doing, what's happening is hedge funds, the way they move their money, and when you, I played a video a while back going over AMC and GameStop, and if you look, the majority of these moves are coming on AMC and GameStop at the end of the month. Like, we're starting at like the 19th and then running through, right? We started about the 19th here, ran up. Started about the 19th here, ran up. And that's where these legs are starting, but now we're kind of extending, you know, continuing this going. This is like the first time we've extended and haven't got a full retrace. And now it's starting. I think we're about to start running again on GameStop, and we're really about to start running on AMC's holding that top, and we're at the end of the month again. And so what happens is hedge funds primarily put their call options because they play differently than the retail investor. Retailers might go a week out, 2 weeks out. That's how much they might trade. So when it comes to hedge funds, they don't trade the same way as we do because they're a lot less risk adverse. Okay, so what they're doing is they're placing their call options. If they're going to take it, the smallest they'll typically take is about till the month's end, if that makes sense, right? So they'll go maybe a monthly, but they're never just doing 2 weeks. So majorities end in a month's time. And so what we're seeing is quad witching. This is the end of a quarter. So they want to do either quarter longs, month long being very, very short term, year longs and stuff like that. So when we come over here, Tesla's a really big company that you'll see too on CNBC. A few of the traders on there, it's pretty interesting. There's one of them that all he does is trade Tesla calls. He doesn't trade Tesla stock. And this is very indicative of that type of hedge fund and what they will do. So these are pretty safe. I mean, 2022, they have lots of room for volatility and stuff, you know, bad stuff to happen. And they're buying these very cheap, but 2022, and they're rolling all these out for almost a year. This is exactly 1 year from today. And then these are going to be, you know, a year and another quarter away. So it's showing you how they move their money. This is definitely not just a day trade. This is, this is an example of quad witching. It's because what's happening is they're just replacing, rolling over, or moving out their calls for different days based on probability and numbers. And that's how it is. It's not, they're not just going to roll their calls out for another 2 weeks, or they're not retails. You have to stop. They move their money in. They're a lot less risk adverse than, they're probably like on a decimal percentile compared to a risk adverse that we are, So, oh, there goes GME looking good. GME is looking very, very good. Buenos nachos, los conejos, amigos. This is good, boys. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is what we love to see. Have you tried calls 1 to 2 years out? I have not. I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested. Me not interested though. Cool trade, AMC. One sec. Okay, AMC, we see you. 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 Dude, yeah, pitch me to yeah, get me on Top Shot, baby. I gotta start making some Top Shot videos though. That's the thing. I just don't know if it's gonna hurt my channel if I do that. I don't know. I don't know how like this algo works. I mean, couldn't hurt me, I guess. Let's go. Let's go, AMC. Start moving. Start moving. Look, I told you guys GameStop was nice. GameStop was nice down there. I try to let you guys know it's happening, boys. It's happening. Reclaim the daily. Hold the daily. Let's get this party on the road. 1 minute till... There we go. 1 minute. Hold. 12 seconds. Just hold there. Just chill. Just relax. Relax. Just hold there. Hold the candle. 5. 3, 2, 1. The alarm went off too. Beautiful timing. Attaboy. Golf claps in the chat. Golf claps in the chat, boys. Golf claps in the chat. Golf claps in the chat. Mamacita. Woo! There we go. Hey. I think we might have to break out the suit for power hour. I think we break out the tie and the shirt, baby. I think we break out the tie. We might go. Hey, if we hit $16, we go buy some suits tonight. Okay. Right after stream, we go buy some suits. Okay, don't jinx it. Don't jinx it. Okay. Little retrace. It's okay. It's okay. Relax. We're fine. NBA toppy shotty. Come on, let's go. Top shot. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on, AMC. Don't die on me. Don't die on me, AMC. Don't die on me. Just keep going. 205. GameStop. There we go. Let's look at the flow. Look. It's kind of nothing. Oh my god, look at that guy. You're an animal. Guy put $1 million on puts. That guy does not believe. Let me tell you something. Look at AMC. AMC looks a lot better. Still not the greatest. 2023? Who is this? This guy really does believe in the stock. Jesus. 1396. Wow. Okay. Talk about a gut punch. Come on, AMC, do something. You know, we're here. We're waiting on you. Been here all morning. Okay. There we go. I think so. I keep getting emails about getting my my class ring. I think I might get it for my pinky ring. I was gonna get one, but I might get it just so I have it on my pinky ring, and just put finance all over it. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, AMC. Right, move. What are you doing? Gosh. Look at that volume. Oh my God. We need Powell to come out here, man. We need Powell to be like, guys, look, interest rates, we promise, they're not moving, okay? They're gonna stay so still. We promise you guys are safe, okay? You're in good hands. This is the strongest resistance line ever, bruh. Just go, just move. Oh my God. You got GME over here going full Super Saiyan over here, moving great. Then we got AMC over here at 14.3 cents, moving 5 cents per 2 minutes. Insane. Stimmy, no stimmy. 209 GME. I try to tell you guys, GME looked good. Good. I would have been shooketh if we dipped down below the support. Even touched it again, I would have been crazy. I would have been like, what is going on? Come on. You need a swagger stick. Swagger stick. Come on, baby. It is just inching. What is going on? Are you kidding me? FYI, I don't know Tyler, and I'm in California. He's just the cutest streamer, so I watch him. Lee Marie, God bless. You know, God bless. I like to imagine it's my brains, but sometimes I just have to admit it's the cuteness. Kyle's texting me, I need some luck, baby. We gonna get lucky? The fact that GME is still as high as proof people are still diamond hitting that stock. I'm telling you, GME is look at the trend, guys. This is beautiful. This is so strong. This doesn't look good at all. I mean, this is set up for a huge breakout. This is very much set up for a huge breakout. This is a clear trend, right? And we're at the end of the month. We've trended. So don't do that. Put that back. We've been trending for a month now. And we're still at these levels. AMC looks even better. In all honesty. This is a month. I mean, what kind of? This is beautiful. And if this is any sign of, you know, the hedges and money starts flowing at the end of the month, then we're in for a treat to end this month out. You know what I mean? Brandon Tyler, you're so cute, Tyler. Can I get your birth? Can I birth your next baby? Oh my God. I'm shaking too, Gray. I want this pack. Dude, give me, if I get this pack, if I get the pack and AMC runs today, might as well be Christmas. Honestly, I'm kind of more excited for my pack than I am AMC. It's literally like a free $1,000, $2,000. Selectively breeding handsome traders. Dude, I'm not gonna lie though, my baby is like adorable. I mean, I think everyone's seen my baby, but God, he even has my massive head. It's kind of crazy seeing his hair getting dark now, because he was so blonde when he was born. Truth Clackers, what a name. Truth Clackers, baby. So I'm looking for a picture. So I'm sending to myself on Discord. Yeah, he does pop up on stream sometimes. Dude, I'm like sweating right now. Holy crap. My loins. The old loins. I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I did on vacation last year, I think. Maybe the year before. He's so small though. Nah, yeah, so Antics Diamond Hands, I agree, but I told myself I would never be the person that I would never be the person that like showed my baby if they were ugly looking. Like, you know, I was honest. Like in the beginning, like Truth was cute as like a small baby, but then like he went through this phase of like 3 months old to like 7 months old, and he just wasn't there. You know what I mean? He was like kind of like a little fat ugly baby for a little bit, but then he morphed. I'll let you guys look. He has a big old stinking head though. We both got big old heads. He has a big old head. I think we were on vacation with the family. He has a big old stinking head. That is funny. But now his hair is dark. It's kind of crazy. Did you call me a fat, ugly baby? Truth, look, you're cute now. Be grateful. You got your dad's genes, not your mama's. Okay? You could be a... and you got your dad's brain. Okay? That's the most important part. You could probably still believe in a flat earth theory. Okay? 23. I'm not gonna lie. I saw Chris So. I thought your name was Chris Sane. I was gonna be like, "What's up, YouTube?" I was gonna say it. Oh man, good times. I mean, you can call my baby ugly. I won't get offended. I think some people gotta hear that their baby's ugly. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta tell people like your baby's ugly, bro. Like, stop. Don't show that on the internet. You know, you gotta be that guy sometimes. Jeff, boy, mama had to be hurt on the way out. Big old head grape. Big brain. Oh yeah, he had a big old noggin, a big old heady. Oh, here we go. Okay, guys, we don't want to jinx it though. Okay, 5 minutes as well. 5 minutes. Oh my god. Here we go. Yeah, GME looks really good. So if you're in GME, like oh, there it goes. AMC, dude, I'm telling you, it's about to happen, boys. Bring on the volume. Bring on the volume, boys. Bring it on. Bring it in. Here we go. What a day. What a time to be alive. GME. How's that flow looking? Do you want to see? How's it looking? That looks bad. Okay. Not gonna talk about that one. Oh. Come on. Yeah, there's got another $1 million order right there. Big stuff. Golf claps, baby. Crazy Renee. My daughter had a huge head. She had to be cut. Oh my god, that hurts my body to hear. I'm gonna call Kyle real quick. I'm gonna call him over on. Hey Gray, I want to call Grayson too. Gray doesn't like to be on the stream though. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let me call Kyle real quick. I want to see what his number is that he gets. Tofe Tapia. Dude, run! Oh my god, dude, this is gonna piss me off. This is gonna piss me off. I sent Kyle like a few cards yesterday or moments so he could get it today. Two minutes left. Dude, please get me in there. Would have to be in like the top 30,000. I wonder how many people. Does it have any people are in this right now? I bet a lot of people can't even afford it, man. They should make you have your money on your account too. That's dumb. You should have to have your money on your account. Can't call, can't talk, need luck. You're such a cock. I can't wait until they turn this whole AMC GME situation into a movie. I wonder how. Come on, baby. 1 minute. I bought IW inputs and immediately blasted. IW inputs yesterday were huge on that. This thing is actually really cool, Gray. This is big. So the flow yesterday on bearish, IWM was crazy. It was insane. I mean, it's crazy again today. I think people are just using this to hedge their accounts, but yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see what we get, boys. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Come on, baby. Yeah, the Dame Deep 3, that'd be disgusting. Come on, let's see what we get. And let me know if you get into the queue. Let me know if you get it too. Let me know if you get it. It takes a minute to get your number. We need under like 36,000 though. Come on. Yeah, I'm watching it up here too. I'm watching AMC. I'm watching it. What's GME at? 214. It looks good. Looks good. Come on. 129,000. This is so gay. Ugh. I'm so pissed. Oh, that sucks. $44. Oh, that would kill me. I would just stay in there, Greg, because I bet a lot of people can't afford it. They should make you have to have your money in your account. They should make you have. That is dumb. You should not be able to pay for it after. That's lame. Oh my gosh. I'm probably gonna try to scalp some. What'd you get, Kyle? Kyle didn't get it either. Dang it. Gosh, I'm telling you, they gotta change that. That's dumb. This whole just having cards in your, that's stupid. You need to have money in your account. Man, that's tough. Ugh. That is tough. This is tough. I mean, I'm like, great. I would stay in line for you, buddy. You might get it. I would stay in if I was you. You'll probably get it. I'm telling you, a lot of people don't have the money in there. AMC, I'm curious to how the close on this week is going to be crazy too, because a lot of calls are going to expire in the money as well. I hope Kyle gets Plumlee. Ugh, that is gross. That is disgusting. I'm not happy with that. GME is doing well. GME is at that next level of resistance. We'll see. I'm telling you, there are 280s in the books. It could 100% happen for GME. 100%. I think AMC looks very good as well. We still have 3-4 hours left in the day. Like, I mean, I would not freak out or anything like that. Anyone get it? Let's see it in the Discord if you don't got it. We'll see. I would love if someone got it. Oh, wow. Roman Broadcast got it. I'm gonna see if he wants to come on the stream and open it. That'd be cool if he comes on. James, I don't know how I play with the 85 Bears. I don't even know how that would work. How's 5? 5's been doing good. 5's been killing. I'm not in it though anymore. Oh, no. What the hell? Yeah, 5 is blasting. Ugh. Gross. Talking to post on Reddit about what stocks. Price prediction for GME. I think end of the day, I don't know. It's hard to say. But I think this has a lot of room to keep running. I think 280 is going to happen pretty soon, personally. I think people are just hopping on a line now. God, this is so... Ugh, it's gross. Gross. What was my number in the queue? It was really bad. 127k. But a guy in the Discord, he's gonna come on. He's gonna come on the stream. Roman Broadcast. And so he's gonna open his pack for everyone. So just so if people like haven't watched, so they can see how it works. 31,000, Jared. Nice. If you guys want to come on, I'll let you come on. I'll let you show, like, open your cards on. I don't mind. I mean, this is a chill stream. I mean, I don't really care. 31,000 is good, Jared. You got it. Oh, man, that blows. That blows. Oh, GME getting hit. But even with GME getting hit like this, we'll look. Watch. I mean, yeah, we're getting rejected a little bit, but still flagging. I think we're gonna come. I think we're gonna keep going. Keep powering through. We'll see. Like I said, 4 hours left in the day is a lot of time. When do you think a tech correction? I mean, we're in a tech correction right now. I'm just curious how we finish the week and then what happens over the weekend with yields. Yeah, I'm in no rush. These are below resistance now, so this looks pretty bad for yields. Same with DX. With DXY are really dumping as well. How's XLE looking? I'm dying to get back into oil. Oil looks good. What's Zom doing? Zom started bouncing already. Well, look. What's going on, Kelsey? Do I hold the rip the sealed pack or do I rip it? You rip it, baby. Rip it open. Oh, one sec. Here we got Roman in here. All right, so Roman, all you do is go down to the bottom left. One sec. Let me mute the music. Sorry, I muted my the music real quick. So go down to the bottom left on your screen in the Discord. It'll say share screen.
Yeah, what we can do is we can set it up when we're gonna do it. When do you want to do it?
Whenever we can do it tonight or we can do it whenever you want. I don't care. I'll be on.
Yeah, we'll set it up. So then you'll kind of walk me through when it's time to do it. I don't know if you can hear me while I'm inside of an IT room right now.
No, you're good. You're good.
Discord froze on my laptop, so I can't really. I'm afraid to like start messing with it.
Yeah, I would just stay in that lobby. Don't get out of the lobby. Just buy it. Yeah, that is insane. Yeah, but I think a lot of people are gonna get queued out of it too because they don't have the money in there. I don't know if you have to have the money in your account. That's the. Yeah, I would have always just had the money in your account just in case, because I mean you'll make your money back really quick. But yeah, just let me know. I'll be on.
Yeah, sure. Will do. Sure, I'll let you know when I grab it.
All right, we go, man. Okay, I guess we're gonna wait a little bit for him. I don't know if he's gonna do it right now or later. Roaring Kitty tweeted again. He strikes again. We'll look right now. Give me a sec. I'm telling you, yeah, GameStop's gonna keep flying, guys. It's gonna keep flying. I had a little bit of money on Webull, like 240. I bought some calls just now, so you guys know. For next week, they're really cheap, super cheap. I bought 16 fives. Let me make sure. I hate the layout of Webull sometimes. I really don't like it. I bought $16 calls for next week, and they were 93 cents each. So I bought those on my. There only bought 2 of them. It was on my Webull, so I was like, Webull's kind of just like I don't even care what happens to that. What is up with skills? Is it going up? Oh, it's dropping. Oh wow! Holy crap! What an opportunity! Wow! That's good. This is good. I mean, honestly, like I want skills to drop, and now I kind of want to get into these guys. Public offering. Yep, there you go. Offering at $24 per share. Oh, dude. Oh my God, yes. I mean, this is what you. Yeah. Oh my God, yes. So when you see these public offerings like this, what I take into account here is look. So the first thing you want to do, in my opinion, is look at this, the price offering of $24 and see what the price is. So it's at 24.2. So it's basically at that value. So they're getting a discount value on those shares to get. They're raising a little bit of capital, but you're seeing this is basically the bottom price. That means that's really good. I'm telling you, skills probably shoots up. Skills, there's a high possibility. I wasn't gonna grab calls, but I think I have to now. Yeah. I have to. I'll put him in the Discord too. What is the price at? 24, right? 24. Tons of open interest too. Yep, I'm buying him. That's hey, whoever said that, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I mean, this is like here it goes again, breaking the chat. Unless these people all just subscribed. If you subscribed, then cool. But I don't think that happened just now. Yeah, I have to. I have to. This will be a gem. This is a gem right here. Whoever pointed this out, holy crap. And we have plenty of time on them as well. They're a little bit expensive. Not really, but they have tons of room. Oh man, wow. Wow. I don't like that to buy them so far out to like April 16th. I'm typically not a fan of that. But I see the value. And they're only like $1.40 each. Yeah, I entered about 5 of those just on my phone. Huge support right there. Huge. Yeah. Wow. Hey, again, thank you so much, whoever just posted that. That was huge. Quick question: hey, does anyone do any streaming on like a laptop here at all? Because I'm about to buy a laptop for the day trading show. What strike? I got $30 strikes on skills. I posted in the Discord if you're in the Discord. I'm really happy though, like the community that we do have though. Like honestly, like this is what I wanted though. Like so, like, even if you're in the free here, I'll post a free link too, just so you have the Discord, guys. And like I mean, like it's mainly just like talking about stock to the AMC stuff, free trade for today's Friday. Oh, I'll post in the I'll post my trade in there today. Wow. I kind of need to be careful about how many the stuff I post, but yeah, it's free trade. I totally forgot, you guys. So yeah, I just posted that in the Discord for the free channel. But let me post that link. Nightbot. No. 5 below looking sexy. I know it's looking sexy. Gosh. I didn't trust the process. The Patreon, the link's down below. This is it. So sometimes people will if they just, I guess you guys just like me so much, I don't know, you'll switch over from your $9 to $15. So sometimes if you're vigilant, you'll find a $9 one. It's been happening a lot. 1 second. No, I'll talk about the laptop here in a sec. But this is what it looks like, right? And then once we get down to 180, I'll start adding a few more things to the channel for people to use. What was gonna say? So okay, for the laptop, the only reason why I'm gonna need a laptop is because me and Kyle aren't gonna be doing it from my house, most likely. That's the whole point. We're gonna be doing it at different locations, most likely every single day. Because I want it to be super. I have an idea because I want it to be very entertaining for everyone, but I also want people to, you know, get education. I want it to be a very entertaining segment that we do. And I think it will be. I think it will be. So that's the goal there. Yeah. How's skills looking? Dude, I think that's gonna. Wow, man. Monday morning we could see this thing soar. I mean, it could drop. It could drop as well. Like, you know, bear with me. But I feel very confident. The last play I did like this was Open Door, and if you were with me then, you knew Open Door flew. So as an example for Open Door, when Open Door had a very big dip like this, it was right here. This is when we got it. So Open Door dipped because it had a. I believe this was the date. It had a. Oh man, oh my, can't even talk. It had a direct offering right here at 20. I think it was at 27 and it dipped down to 26. I couldn't believe it. So we just loaded in and this thing just soared after that. So we're gonna keep our eyes open there. Very good opportunity, and I do like it. I do like skills. I've been looking at them for a longer term entry, but I just see the quick opportunity where we're at right now, to be honest. Do micro ATX case, you can fit a good GP in there, and you have a computer that you can carry a duffel bag and a backpack. High-end laptops are underwhelming and such a waste of money. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, the stream idea, I have a really, I can't take a computer with me everywhere. I mean, I guess I could, but I'll get kicked out. I'm pretty sure you can't record in most places anyways. So there's a high possibility we're gonna have to be able to like move and shut down everything really quick. Like most likely the first place we're gonna start is gonna be like we're gonna do some days we'll do it at, yeah, I think the laptop is the way. I think we're gonna do sometimes at McDonald's, sometimes at at like Denny's and just random places. We'll never do Starbucks, that's way too high end. But you know, we're gonna do it total random places. I don't think I even need a super high-end laptop. It's only going to be for editing. I mean, I'm going to use external hard drives for all like the content. So I am so mad about the gosh. Hey Gray, what number are you? Have you moved up at all? I'm wondering if you moved up. This is just so depressing right now. Gosh, I'm so mad. Oh my god, that sucks. No, I'm gonna be doing. I might do some editing on Premiere on it. I'm pretty sure Trey does his streams on Wi-Fi from a hotel right now. I'm like pretty positive actually. I'm like 99% sure about that actually. Trey's been streaming all of his streams from a hotel. And I would be willing to bet some connections with these other places are better. Yeah, he's in a hotel streaming. He's on like hotel Wi-Fi. That has got to be worse. So there's no way that you can't stream on Wi-Fi. So I'll have to look into it. The best thing to do. I mean, I don't want to spend a ton on it because I'm gonna build a whole new PC this summer. So, and that's gonna be the primary like workstation. But I do. I don't know if that's true that you can record from anywhere. I really don't know. If I'm inside of someone's property or store, I don't think I can. I don't think I can. Maybe, I don't know. Also, for causing a scene, I don't think we can. Yeah, if we're disturbing the peace. I mean, it's gonna be me and Kyle in suits day trading. You think we're not gonna disturb the peace? What do you I mean, come on. It's not gonna be pretty, probably. Gosh. Bolero off of Bolero? What is Bolero? I don't know what that is. You can record anything you send in public. People work at Starbucks. I know Starbucks is too nice though. We don't want to do Starbucks. We don't want to do Starbucks. You're good, Mark. Alright guys, I'm about to hop off. I'll be live. 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock sound good? A bowling alley? Dude, that's what I'm saying. As long as there's good connection, I totally will do I don't care. I'll be live around 2 o'clock for market close, 100%. I mean, this looks real. I think Jamie's gonna go. Skills already looks really good, guys. I'm telling you, this was a play and a half. McDonald's. I'm telling you, McDonald's is gonna be hilarious. You always get the random old people that go in there in the morning too. So they're gonna be like, "Don't record me, boy." I'm like, "Oh, daddy, chill." Where is? Hey, Gray, if you're here. Gray, I'm telling you, I love Skills, bro. I know you're listening. You probably love them too. I love Skills, bro. Love them. I love them. I'm call options, Gray. Call options. Me and you, buddy. Not financial advice. But I sent you, I sent you a DM. Dude, this is dirt cheap. This is dirt cheap, bro. And the only reason it's at this 24. Go look what open door. Dude, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. Shares here are beautiful too. If you're into shares, I think shares here long term are really good. I'll probably make a video this weekend on Skills. IPNFF, the one that Yates was talking about, that was a really good one too. Hype, it's 41 cents, dirt cheap. So yeah. This Chinese keyboard blows. When does AMC volume kick in today? I can't give you that answer. Most likely though, if call options are this is the big thing, right? This is the big thing here on AMC. Closing above $14 is gonna put a lot of options in the money. Okay, so closing above 14.01, that'd be amazing, amazing. Next week I see a big movement. I'm very shocked. I'm shooketh that we have not seen a bullish move yet. I'll be live for 2 o'clock for the power hour, but I need to go run somewhere. I'm going suit shopping really quick. I'll be back. Probably get some lunch as well. So I'll be back. This looks really good. This flag looks extremely good. Oh, price alert, boys. This guy's name is Rogan. He's been in the chat for quite a while. This man has not missed on GME. If you follow him in the Discord, this man does not miss when it comes to GameStop and AMC, primarily GameStop. He has not had a losing one that I've seen so far. He's in. AK shorts left to borrow. Things are going to get absolutely ridiculous. Look at the order flow. I'm about to log off, so bear with me. Look at this order flow that we're seeing as well. For this week, for GameStop. Today, let's look at today's. This is today's. All of this volume coming in. 800K. We're seeing massive amounts of money. Massive amounts, guys, coming in. Golf claps. You know what? Loud golf claps. Tiger Woods just won the Open claps, okay? God bless his leg. Okay, I love Tiger Woods, but... Guys, it looks good. This looks juicy. All right, boys. I got to go. I'll be back. I love you all. If you have any questions, get in the Discord. The link's down below. Love you all. Patreon also. You know, 180 spots left. We're filling up.